question 3. A sequence is defined by the recurrence relation un plus 1 equals 1/3 un plus 10 with u3 equal to 6. And we're asked to find the value of u4. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. So write down the expression first, un plus 1. 1 is equal to 1/3 un plus 10. So now we want to work out what u4 is. u4, okay. So for this, and we've been given u3, which is 6. So all we need to do here is for the un plus 1 is the same as, so if this is 4, then what we need to be thinking about is what was number 3, what was the previous entry. So it's 1/3 times 6 plus 10, which equals 1/3 times 6, which is 2 plus 10, which is 12, right? And that's your final answer there. I think that's just 1 mark. Yeah, so that you got 1 mark for your final answer. Okay, on to part B. They said explain why this sequence approaches a limit as n approaches infinity. Well, what they're looking for here is just a statement. Okay, so it's going to be something along the lines of a limit exists as the recurrence relation. I'll pause it, then I'll write down what I want to say. So what they're looking for you to say is a limit exists as a recurrence relation is linear, and this 1/3 term, which is in the expression, it lies between -1 and 1. Therefore, a limit will exist. Okay, so now looking at part C, now they want to actually calculate this limit. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, there's an equation that is for calculating the limit where b over 1 minus a. Now, you need to know what b and a are. So, when you have a recurrence relation expression, usually comes in the form of a un plus b. So in our case, we have 1/3 un plus 10. So our a and b are 1/3 and 10. So we substitute these back into this expression. This becomes 10 over 1 minus 1 over 3, which is the same as 10 over 1 over 3, same as 3 over 3. So 2 over 3. And now to panic calculator, what you do is you can take the 3 up to the top, which is equal to 3 times 10 over 2, which is the same as 30 over 2, which is equal to 15. And there's your limit there, 15. So when you get your marks in this one for knowing how to calculate the limit, so knowing to use this expression, and then for getting your correct answer there. So it's your 2 out of 2. Okay, that's question 3.